once you are familiar, once you know what you are doing, you can combine these two together. You straight away put volume equals to cross-section area multiplied by the height. Okay, so I put it down here. Next time when you are more familiar, you can straight away say volume equals to the base area multiplied height, or in this case half times 6 times 8, then you multiply 17. You can write, it's actually just combining these two into one line. You don't write this in one line also can. You can also still go back to this. Find the cross-section area, then you multiply by the length between the base and the top. Okay? For now, the total surface area. Total surface area is the area that is covering my prism, my block. So for now, we just go and identify how many sides are there. So triangle, front and back, two sides already. Then there is one at the bottom. Then there is one here, there is one here. So all together, one side, two sides, three sides, four sides, five sides. Compared to your cube, which has 6 sides, this triangular prism, we can go and count. Also, in the question, I can go and count. At the front, got 1, then got 1 behind, so 1, 2. Then the base at the bottom got 1. Then there's 1 to the side here. There's 1 more at the front here. So all together 5 sides only. And all these 5 sides, they are all rectangles. Okay? You can see when I open it up, the middle 3 is all rectangles. Just like here and here, 17 and 8 is a rectangle. Then if I look at the bottom, 10 and 17, the bottom here is also a rectangle. Then the back is 8 and 6, also a rectangle. Okay? So for this question, we go into identifying the surfaces, then we just find the area. Okay? So for the triangles, just now we find already 24. Okay? So total surface area, there are your 2 triangles, so 24 plus 24. 1 triangle in front, 1 triangle behind. Then there is your base. The base is a rectangle. Let me write in blue. There is this rectangle. 1 side 10, 1 side 17. Okay? So I have this 10 times 17, the rectangle. These 2 are the triangles. Okay? The blue one is the base at the bottom. Then I still have 1 on the left. The one on the left, let me use green here. It is also a rectangle with side 6 cm and 8 cm. Sorry, 17 cm. 17 cm, not 8 cm. Because bottom is a rectangle, this is 17. So this is the opposite side of 17. This side is also 17. 7. Cannot see. 17. Okay. So here is 6. Here is 17. So my green color one will be 6 times 17. It is this one to the left. Then I have a last one on the right one, this yellow one. This side is 8, this side is 17. It's also a rectangle. Okay, so if I go and add up these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, I will have my total surface area. Go practice, press your calculator. (456 centimeter square area). Yes, go. Okay, so far. Okay, then we go to the next question. Wait.
What's the yellow word? I can't see.
Yellow word is 8 times 17. This is 8, this is 17. No time to break already lah. You all already break already, I just not play with all these toys. You don't always get what you want. Okay then. Tiara, do you find your wallet? Then how your card?
She cannot lock it. She forgot her password. Like me.
Did you go to the Geo and ask? Still also don't have. Oh no! Okay, now move on. The diagram shows a prism. So this diagram is a prism. The area of the hexagonal cross section is 380. Hexagonal means 6-sided. So what they are saying is the hexagonal cross section. So what they are referring to, the hexagonal cross section is referring to this thing. This hexagonal cross section. It is also the same as the base. It is also your hexagonal cross section. Okay, so this is like putting hexagons until it forms a solid. So what is the volume of this prism? I don't know the sides individually, but I don't need to know the sides. As long as I know this area, I am stacking 42 cm of this area. So I don't need to know the individual. I can straight away write down the volume is the cross section area multiplied by 42. 42 cms of this area make up this volume. 42 cm of this area make up this volume. So just 380 times 42 only. very easy. Nobody joke already lah. Your joke so lousy. You see my joke so funny, Jingyi laughing at my joke. Okay. Can you all identify what is the cross-section area here? This prism. Is it the bottom base and the top the same, or is it this side the same as the left and the right? No, right? Because if I cut at the center, then I will be left with only this area. For cross-section area, for the prism, when I cut, I need everything to look the same one. So the only way is if I cut down like that, then the front is a U shape, the back is a U shape, anywhere I cut in between is also a U shape. Okay? So the cross-section area is actually this U shape over here. Can you identify? Okay? So this U shape is your cross-section area. Yes. I think that one. Good student, helping your teacher pick up. Or you take every book. Okay. So for this solid, it is actually constructed by this U shape. I multiply by this 4 cm. The 4 cms of this U shape will become this entire thing already. So if I want to find the volume, I must first find the area of this U shape. How can I find the area of this U shape? I have to break this U shape down into 3 rectangles. Okay? So one way is I cut here, then my U can become 3 different rectangles. One here, one here, one here. Do I know all of them? Here is 4 cm. Okay, 4. This whole thing is 12. Then this inside here is 8. So what is left here? This is 8. Here is also 8 ma. From here to here. So here must be 4. Okay? So this whole thing is 16. Here is 4. Here is 4. Add together is 8. So in between here is also 8. Because here is 4. Okay? So if I name them rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, can you see that area 1 is equals to 12 times 4. Area 2 is equals to 4 times 8. Area 3 is equals to 12 times 4 also. the cross-section area will be the summation or the addition of these three rectangles. So if I want to find the volume, this amount of area multiplied by this amount of thickness. The area multiplied by the thickness, I get my volume. Cannot. Can? When everyone finish, I want to go through an important idea here. No, I want to go through an important point here. Okay, about the cross-section area. Sorry, about the total surface area. Everyone done? Okay. Nabila done? Not yet. We wait for a while, because this one important. I want you all to listen. Done. Okay. We are also asked to find the total surface area of this thing. So if I want to find the total surface area, can you see that I have to add up this side, 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 I have to add the front, add the back, at the left hand side and at the bottom. There are a lot of sides, right? But if I really go and find, yes, I can find all of them. This side is 4 times 12. This side is 4 times 4. So I can find them individually. Jingyi. Okay, but there is one other way to find the total surface area, which is you need to know one, and it will be easier sometimes. This side is 4 times 12, but if I just look at the base area, this 12 is actually this line, right? Remember how we generate area? This line, if I keep stacking, it will become this surface. This line, when I stack 4 cm of this line, it becomes this surface. This line, 4 cm, when I stack 4 cm of this line, it becomes this surface. an area. This line, when I stack 4 cm of this line, it becomes this surface. So I always stack by 4 cm of this, all these lines. This 8 cm, I stack by 4 cm, it will become this surface. Okay? Which is to say, all the sides, all these sides that will be formed, even the bottom, can be generated by taking the perimeter of the cross-section area. If I take the perimeter, I multiply